I'm going to pull down the fire alarm. Hot, 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 hot.
What's going on?
I don't know, Erica. We're having an emergency fire drill, single file.
The good news is that there is no fire. The bad news is that someone pulled down the fire alarm. Do you know anyone who could do this?
I know who it was. It was Dora. Dora, get over here right now.
What is it, Mrs. Christina?
Someone pulled down the fire alarm. Did you do that?
Yes.
You're suspended. Go home now.
Dora, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? You're grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 years. Go to your room now.